Hello everyone. Did you know that the question we use every day, starting with who, what, where, how, have their roots in the very beginnings of language? They are called WH questions and they are named after the letter they start with W and H. But why are these questions so important? Because they allow us to connect with others, learn new things and understand the world around us. Think about it, without WH questions we have no way to ask about people, places, regions or actions. It would be like trying to solve a puzzles with no clues. WH question form the foundation of meaningful conversations. Whether you are learning English, traveling or just chatting with a friend, these questions are your best tools too. Imagine saying, "Who are you?" instead of standing in awkward silence. Like asking, "What happened?" when you are curious about a story. And when need directions, ask, "Where is the nearest station?" So, mastering diverse question will not make your English better, but also you make a better communicator. In this video, we will focus on the first 4 diverse questions: who, what, where, and when. I will explain their meaning, give example, and show you how to use them effectively. Ready? Let's jump in. Let's start with who. This WH word is all about asking questions related to people. Use it when you want to know someone's identity, rule, or the persons responsible for an action. For example, who is your teacher? This question asks about a specific person in a teaching role. It could be answered, "Mr. Smith is my teacher." The next is, who won the game last night? You are asking about the person or team that achieved victory. It could be the Red Tigers won the game. And next is, who borrowed my book? This question helps you find out who took the action of borrowing. If your friend answers, "I borrowed it." The next is, who will speak at the event? This focuses on a future action. Who is expected to perform the task of speaking? Whenever you are curious about someone's identity or rule, who is your best friend? Next is what. This WH word is incredibly versatile. Use it to ask about things, actions or general information. For example, what is your favorite color? This question helps you discover someone's preference. For instance, the answer could be, "My favorite color is blue." Next is, what do you do every morning? You are asking about a routine or habit. The answer might be, "I brush my teeth, have breakfast and go for a walk." Next is, what is the purpose of this meeting? This is a formal way to ask about the reason for an event. A response might be, "The meeting is to discuss the new project." Next is, what caused the noise? You are trying to identify the reason behind an event. Someone might say, "It was the wind blowing the window." What is your go-to word when you need details, whether about objects, regions or actions? Let's move on to where. The WH word for asking about locations or destinations. Use it when you are curious about a place. For example, where do you live? This question helps you learn about someone's home or residence. For example, "I live in New York City." Next, where is the nearest bus stop? You are asking for a specific location. The answer might be, "It's 2 blocks away near the grocery store." Next is, where do you go for vacation? Here, you are asking about someone's travel destination. An answer could be, "I go to the mountains every summer." Finally, we have when. The WH word focuses on time. Use it to ask about dates, schedules or timing. For example, when does the train arrive? You are asking about a specific time. The answer might be, "The train arrives at 8:30 p.m. Next, when is your birthday? You are asking about a particular date. Someone could say, "My birthday is on December 5th. The next is, when will you call me? This question asks about a future action. An answer could be, "I will call you tomorrow evening." The next is, when did you start learning English? Here, you are asking about a past event. For example, "I started learning English 2 years ago." Whether you are making plans, recalling past or setting schedules, when is the perfect word to help you stay organized and informed. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe. See ya in the next video.